Welcome children. Today we are going to prepare illustration 21. This is a book of Madurai City Club. They are given some detail about the receipt and payment account of 31st March 2018. So they are given a receipt and payment account for the year end 31st March 2018. Already they prepared a receipt and payment account. So receipt and payment account also prepared at the end of the each year. So current year is April 2017 to March 2018. So they are given some detail about March 31st they prepare receipt and payment account. So year end they prepare the receipt and payment account. So opening balance, cash in hand, cash at bank. Opening balance means opening I already told you 1 year closing, next year will be a opening. So 2000 March 2000 31st March 2017 closing cash balance they transfer into 1st April 2018, 1st April 2017, 1st April 2017. So balance B by D, cash in hand opening, bank balance opening. Then subscription they are given 30,000. Out of 30,000, 4,000 for 16 and 17. 16 and 17 is a previous year outstanding. It include 30,000. So include this in this 30,000, 4,000 is included for previous year subscription. Then legacy received 9,000. Hall rent received 10,000. So all this called a receipt. To receipt for match fund. So match fund means special fund. So this is a club, Madurai City Club. Specially they are received from the fund for match. So this one is a special fund receipt. I already told you, I already explained in special fund treatment. There I told you if you receive a special fund, you have to show on the liability side of current year balance sheet. In liability side, you have to show the special fund. From the special fund, if any income that you have to add, if any expenses you have to minus. So in this sum, they are given an income received from match fund. So income means we have to add from the special fund. Payment side, upkeep, ground expenditure, match expenses. This one we are going to minus from the special fund. Sundry expenses expenditure. Then furniture. So furniture closing 31st March 2018 they had a 20,000. Then closing balance, cash in hand, cash at bank. Additional information also they are given. Additional information 1st April 2017. So beginning they had a investment 40,000. The club also had a credit balance of 30,000 in match fund. This one is a special fund for previous year. So special fund the club also had a credit balance of 30,000 in match fund. Then on 31st March 2017 subscription arrear by 4,000. 16-17 outstanding arrear 4,000 they are given, and subscription in arrear 31st March 2018 current year subscription outstanding subscription 4,500 they are given. If you go through the sum, they are asked to prepare a final account. If you go through the sum, there is no capital fund they are given. So if you want, they didn't give a capital fund, then what we have to do? We are going to open a opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. What is the opening balance sheet? Opening balance sheet means all the opening information related to the assets and liabilities we have to show on the opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. So here what are the opening information we had? First one is cash in hand, cash at bank, closing, opening. So opening cash in hand 500 they are given, and bank 7,000 they are given. Other than that, we don't have any assets and beginning. So this one is a year end, 31st current year end. So this one we are not consider. Here they are given a furniture. This one is not a current. This one is related to current year. So we are not consider this. Then additional information we had an investment. So this one we are going to take. A club had also credit balance of 30,000. This one is a capital fund. This one also we are going to show on the liability side. Then 31st March 2017 subscription arrear. This one is a previous year subscription outstanding arrear. This one also we have to show on the asset side. So outstanding subscription. So then subscription arrear 31st March 2018. This one we are going to use for current year balance sheet. Now we are going to prepare prepare balance sheet, opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. Illustration 21, page number 67. Find out capital fund opening balance sheet should be prepared in the book of Madurai City Club balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. I already told you balance sheet at the end of each year only they have to prepare the balance sheet. So if you want to find out the capital fund, we have to prepare a opening balance sheet. That means previous year balance sheet we are going to prepare. So we need all the previous year information. That means what is the previous year? 16, 17 is the previous year, 17, 18 is the current year, 18, 19 is the future year. I already told you 16, 17 is the previous year. This means 2016 to 17, what are the information they are given, we have to consider to prepare the opening capital fund of opening balance sheet. So 31st March 2017 we are prepared. That means 16 to 17 what are the details they have given, that information only we have to consider to prepare the balance sheet. So here 1st April 2017 club had an investment 40,000 they are given. So 1st April 2017 the club had an investment 40,000 they given. Then the club also had a credit balance of match fund 2017 30,000 also they are given. These all the things are related to 16 to 17. 16 to 17. 16 to 17 16 to 17 previous year 16 April 2016 to March 31st 2017. So these two information we have to take. One is for asset, another one is for liability. Investment is asset, then match fund is a liability. Then 31st March 2017 subscription arrear. So this one is outstanding subscription for previous year. So these three items we have to take on to prepare the opening balance sheet. In out of three, two is asset, one is liability. Liability means match fund is a liability, investment and outstanding arrear, these two items is a asset. Other than that we had opening cash in hand, 500 and bank balance 7,000. These two items also we are showing in the opening balance sheet. So we by opening cash in hand, cash at bank, then investment, outstanding expenses. All the four items we are going to show on the asset side of opening balance sheet. Then only one item is there in liability, that is match fund. That one we are going to put in the liability side. After that we have to find out the different of liability and asset. We compare the asset with liability. So if there is any different, that different is called a capital fund. Now we are going to find out the different. For that we are going to open a opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. First now I am going to enter one by one on asset side. Cash at bank 7,000, cash in hand, opening cash in hand, cash at bank 7,500. Investment 1st April 2017 40,000. Subscription outstanding also 31st March 2017 4,000. So this one is outstanding for previous year. This one is investment previous year. That means 16 to 17. We had assets, so that we have to show this asset on a opening balance sheet. Then cash in hand, cash at bank. Why we are not show the furniture? In the sense furniture they are given receipt and payment account March 2018. So there is no asset in 2016 and 17. 2018 only they purchased new asset, new furniture. So that only they are showing in the asset side of receipt and payment account. Additional information also there is any information related to the furniture. So only they had a investment opening asset of investment they are given. So that opening investment we are shown the asset side, and subscription outstanding asset side. So all the asset we have to enter in the opening balance sheet 31st March 2017. Then one more item is there, that one is match fund. So that we are going to put in a liability side. If you so now match fund 30,000 I wrote in liability side 30,000 match fund. So after that we have to add asset side separately and liability side separately. So asset side only 30,000. If you add liability side, we will get a 51,500. So 51,000 is a 500 is a highest value. So I have to write highest value on both the side. Highest value to lowest value we are going to minus. 51,500 minus 30,000. 21,500 is a difference. This difference is called a capital fund. The likewise we have to find out the capital fund. So capital fund, how can we find out the capital fund? For preparing a opening balance sheet. So after preparing opening balance sheet, all the related information about the opening information related about the liabilities we are entering the liability side, asset we are entering the asset side. After that, after enter all the asset in asset side, all the liabilities in our liability side, then we have to add separately from the asset side and liability side. Then we have to find out the difference. The difference is 21,500. This difference is called a capital fund. 51,500 minus 30,000. Now 51,300 is the highest value. From the minus lowest value, we'll get a capital fund 21,500. So the difference of liability, asset minus liability, kept a capital fund. So likewise you have to prepare the capital fund for find out preparing an opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund. Now we are going to prepare the income and expenditure for year end 31st March 2018 for Madurai City Club. Now we are going to enter one by one on income and expenditure account. Before that, I just want to show the question. Upkeep ground, payment side they are given upkeep ground. So this one is a upkeep ground is expenditure. So this one we are going to show an expenditure. Match expenses I already told you. Match fund is a special fund. If any expenses or income related to match fund, this amount we have to show on a liability side of balance sheet. In balance sheet we have to show this. So sundry expenses also expenditure. So these two items only we are going to enter in a expenditure side. Then income side they are given a subscription. From the subscription I told you in treatment of subscription, they are given a subscription total value of subscription they are given 30,000. From this current year subscription we are going to add and previous year subscription we are going to minus. Then the total subscription we have to show on the outer column. Then legacy, hall rent only we have to show on a expenditure side. Legacy, liability, hall rent, expenditure. So here two things we are going to enter in expenditure. One is subscription, another is in hall rent. Here upkeeping ground and sundry expenses. Now we are going to enter upkeep ground and sundry expenses on expenditure side. So two item only they are given, upkeep ground and sundry expenses. Both the things we are enter in expenditure side. Then income side we are going to show by subscription 30,000. From the received previous year subscription we are going to minus, current year outstanding we are going to add. Then hall rent they are given, that two items only we are going to enter in the income side. Now I am going to enter subscription 30,000 they are given. We have adjustment, so that only I have to show this amount on an inner column. From this I am going to minus first received for 2016-17 outstanding subscription. Now less subscription outstanding 16-17 4,000, 30,000 minus 4,000 26,000. From this outstanding for current year they are given. So outstanding for current year we are going to add. So total subscription 30,000. This include 4,000 for 16-17. So this one we are going to minus. After now the subscription is 26,000. So this year also outstanding is there. So outstanding subscription also we are going to add from the subscription. Now I am going to add outstanding subscription for current year. Now add outstanding for the current year 17-18 4,500. So if you add 26,000 plus 4,500 you will get a 30,500. So the original layer I have to show on the outer column. Then hall rent 10,000, that also I am going to enter in income side. Hall rent 10,000, that also I have to enter in a income side. Now when I already many times I told you, whenever you have to write on credit side, you write by subscription, by hall rent, likewise you have to write. If you are write anything on a debit side, then you have to start with 2 upkeep ground, 2 sundry expenses. If you forget to write a 2, then you will lose your mark. So don't forget to write a 2 and by. So now we are going to add debit side and credit side separately. If you see this credit side, 30,000 plus 10,000, 30,500 plus 10,000, 40,500, 40,500. So here 20 sundry expenses 11,000, sorry children. This side 16,500 plus 10,000, that means 27,500. This side 40,500. What is the highest value? Highest value is 40,500. So I am going to write 40,500 on both the side. I already told you 40,000 is the highest value, so I have to enter 40,500 on both the side between a two parallel line. Then highest value is 40,500, 27,500, 40,000 minus 27,500, then 13,000 is a balancing figure. So here income is more than expenses. If income is more than expenses, if you are getting a difference in expenditure side, that is a surplus. Here income is more than expenditure, so we are getting a surplus. If it is a deficit, means expenditure is more than income, then it is deficit. So we are getting a balancing figure in debit side, so it is a surplus. If we are getting a balancing figure in debit side, that is a surplus. If we are getting a balancing figure on income side, then it is a deficit. So in this sum also we are getting a surplus. So how much we are getting a surplus? 13,000. That means 40,500 minus 27,500. So totally 13,000. This one is surplus. So this surplus we are going to enter in a expenditure side. Now we find out that a surplus amount 13,000. So this one is a balancing figure we have to find out through the income and expenditure account. After preparing the income and expenditure account, all the expenses we are entering the expenditure side, all the receipt we have to enter in the income side. Then we have to find out the different. Highest value is 40,500, lowest is 27,500. Then the difference is 13,000. This 13,000 is a surplus. Then next we are going to prepare a balance sheet of 31st March 2018. From that, first already we find out capital fund. Already we find out the capital fund balancing figure 21,500. So 15,300 on asset side, 30,000 on liability side. The difference is 21,500. This 21,500 is a capital fund. Now the capital fund is 21,500. This amount we have to transfer to the balance sheet, current year balance sheet. From this we are going to add the surplus 13,000. Now balance sheet of 31st March 2018, liability. From in liability, capital fund 21,500 we have to find out through the opening balance sheet. So that amount I have to transfer here. Then we find out the surplus 13,000. So capital fund add surplus. If it is deficit, then we have to minus. So 21,500 plus 13,000, we are getting a 34,500. Then legacy is there. Legacy 9,000 as a liability. So this one we are going to show on the liability side. Then in additional information, we had a March fund account 31st March 2017, 30,000 they are given. So this one is a special fund. From the special fund, I already told you, if any expense are related to special fund, then we have to minus If any income related to special fund, that we have to add in the balance sheet. So we had both the expenses and income. Income 25,000, expenses 19,000. These two amount we have to one amount we are going to minus, one amount we are going to add from the special fund. Then legacy, these three items only we are going to enter in the liability side. So special fund, after special fund we had adjustment. So after adjusting the special fund, original value we have to show on the outer column. Then for all the asset we are going to enter in the asset side. Here furniture and closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank, both all the closing information we are going to enter. Even additional information, I already told you 1 year opening, next year will be a closing. So 1 year 1 year closing, next year will be a opening information. So 1 year opening, if you have any opening investments or any asset, then that amount also we have to show on the closing asset. So investment also we have to show on the asset side. So investment, then furniture, then cash in hand, cash at bank, all the items we are going to enter in a asset side. Then outstanding for current year 4,500, this amount also we are going to show on the asset side. Now I am going to enter the legacy and special fund. Now match fund 30,000. So I already told you, any expenses or income related to match fund. Income means we have to add from the match fund. Expenses mean we have to minus from the special fund. So match fund is a special fund, 30,000. From that income we are going to add 30,000 plus 22,500, 52,500. From this match expenses we are going to minus 19,000. 52,500 minus 19,000, the total match fund now is 33,500. Likewise, furniture, investment, subscription outstanding, cash in hand, cash at bank, all the asset we are going to enter one by one on asset side. Now we enter all the assets on asset side, all the expenditure on expenditure side. So furniture, asset, investment, subscription outstanding for current year, cash in hand, cash at bank. So all the these two items are current, closing cash in hand, closing cash at bank. Likewise, all the liabilities we have to enter. Now we if you add all the things, we will get a equal amount from liability and asset. 34,500 plus 9,000. So 34 plus 9,000, 43,500. 43,500 plus 33,500, 77,000. So here we are getting a 77,000. In this side also 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 4,500, 64,500. Then 64,500 plus 11,000, 75,500. 75,500 plus 1,500, 77,000. So both the side we are getting a same value. So asset must equal to liability. So asset and liability should tally. So likewise, so now I enter 77,000 on both the side. So asset, the balance sheet must tally, asset must equal with liability. So here also we are getting a amount tally, asset equal to liability. Asset 77,000, same amount we got in a liability also. So likewise you have to prepare, children. So before that, please learn all the treatments relating to income and expenditure account and all the formats of income and expenditure account, receipt and payment account and balance sheet. Then only it is easy to prepare a comprehensive problems. Likewise you have to prepare the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, ask me, children. Thank you.